When you see something you know. I'm going to show two images one time quickly, and then I'll show it again quickly. So if you don't see it the first time, make sure that you get a good look the second time. Okay? Alright. Okay, I'm going to show it one more time for those of you who didn't get a good look the first time. Alright. Who knows how many dots they saw in that image? Who knows? Carolyn Miller, you're showing me that you know something you saw. You saw 4 what? 4 what? What did you see? 4 dots. Carolyn said she saw 4 dots. Did anybody see another number of dots? You maybe saw more dots. You maybe saw less dots. I see lots of you going like this. That means you saw the same thing. So how about a thumbs up if you also saw 4? Okay, so it looks like a lot of us saw 4. I want to know how you saw 4. How did you see 4? Caroline Miller, go up and tell us how you know you saw 4. Take my marker if you need it. I want you guys to listen because some of you might have seen it differently than her. Tell us about that.
3 and 1.
You saw 3 and 1.
I saw.
What about 3 and 1? What does that mean? How did you know that? That the 3 and the 1 made 4 dots? Because you saw it that way. So tell me what you know about 3 and 1, though, Caroline. What do you know about 3 and 1? 3 and 1 makes 4. Would anybody agree with that? Oh, Harrison agrees. All right.
I don't agree. I do agree with that.
We agree. Let's see. Eva, did you see 4? Did you see 4 a different way, though? Okay, will you go up and show us how you saw 4? Because Caroline Miller says 3 and 1 is 4. But some of us see things differently, and I want to know how Eva thought or saw it was 4. Quick erase, yep. And you guys, we know that not everybody gets to go at the same time. We're going to take turns, so don't get upset if we don't get picked right now. We'll have other times. We're going to check this calendar and keep your sweater on.
I saw that looked like 2 on the dots there. And then I saw 2 more. That was like 2 more on the dots.
Okay, you saw 2 and then 2 more. What do you know about 2 and 2 more?
It makes 4.
It makes 4. Does anyone agree with that? Okay, I see lots of people agree. So now we've seen one way to make 4, which was 3 and 1 from Caroline Miller, and we've seen Eva show us that another way to make 4 is 2 and 2. So everybody put your hands down. All I want to know if you agree that we see 4 dots. We've had 2 people show us that we have 4 dots. Lots of us agree. Let's move on to another dot card. All right, when you're ready, make sure you take a good look. Caroline Miller, let me sit in your bottom, please, ma'am. Thank you. All right. All right. You ready to come back? Come on. All right. I'm going to give you another look. Awesome. All right, get ready. Up here. One more look. Make sure it's just for your eyeballs. All right. Who knows the number that they saw? Who knows how many dots they saw? Who knows the number of dots they saw? Carolyn Miller, Jimmy, Lily saying, I saw something that I know. Lily, what number did you see? What number of dots? You saw 6. Okay. Did anybody see anything different? Oh, I see lots of friends showing this. They're saying, listen to I saw something different. What'd you see, Austin?
I saw 5.
You saw 5. Oh, I see lots of people saying that they agree. So some friends, okay, put your hands down. Some friends saw 6, and some friends saw 5. We want to know, is it 5? 6. Let's find out. Lily, tell us about 6. Why do you think you saw 6? Come on up and show us how you know you saw 6. Miller, will you scoot over here that way so Timothy can come on in? Thank you. You saw 2 and 3. Okay, but
Now I changed my mind into 5.
oh, you changed your mind, Lily. Why'd you change your mind from 6 to 5?
Because when I counted, it first was 6, but then when I counted again, it was 5.
Oh, so did you count each one by themselves, or did you recognize the 2 and the 3?
I just saw 2 and 3, and I think I counted a little too fast.
Okay, so but now you know, and you decided to change your mind that 2 and 3 makes 5. Are you ready to join us, Harrison? Okay, sit down, cross your legs. All right. I see lots of people, or a few people a second ago were doing this. So Lily, should we take away 6? Yes. Because you say that it's now 5, because 2 and 3 makes what, Lily?
5.
5. Well, someone else who also saw 5, show us how you know that it was 5, because we always like to show different ways so we can really make sure. We can really make sure we've got the right number. Here, I'll scoot this down a little bit so we don't have to. There we go. Let's see, Austin, you're the one that told us this 5. Why don't you go up and let us know how you saw 5, because Lily saw it one way. And I know we see things differently in this classroom. You have to turn it around, buddy. Yeah, turn the tip around. Yep, there you go.
I saw this.
Try this marker.
Yeah, green doesn't work
I know. Sometimes that happens. All right. Austin, you saw... Okay, tell us about that.
I saw it like 4 and 1.
You saw 4 and 1. Well, what does that tell us? Or what did that tell you when you saw 4 and 1?
Well, I saw it like I saw that I saw 4 first, and the next time when you showed it, I saw 1 more.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. So the first time, when I showed it quick, you just saw 4, and then when I showed it the second time, you realized there was 1 more. What do you know about 4 and 1 more?
It equals 5.
It equals 5. Does anyone agree with that? Laura agrees. Jackson agrees. Harrison definitely agrees. That arm's with me. Okay. We'll do one more friend. Let's see, Kyler. I want you to go up because Kyler, did you agree that we saw 5 dots? There were 5 dots up there. Yeah. Did you see it a different way than he did? You did? Okay. Well, awesome. Let's check hers out. Will you pass her the marker? Thank you. I like how I see Jimmy sitting so quiet and his legs are crossed. His bottom's on the floor. Thank you, Jimmy. I like how I see Caroline floating. One there. Okay, well, tell us about that. How did you know when I showed those dots real quickly? How did you see all that right there? Can you tell us about
It
that?
looks like beans and a few chips.
It does look like beans in the future. Lily, please don't talk about it.
Because when you showed it to all of us,
Hey, I'm sorry, Kylie. Can you speak louder? I can't hear you, buddy.
when you were showing it to all of us, it was 5 dots, and I thought it was 6, and you gave us another look, and then I said 5.
Oh, so the first look you thought it was 6, but then the second look you saw 5. Well, what was it about the second look that made you see things differently than the first look?
Because I saw that one right there, that one right there, that one right there, that one right there, and that one right there.
Okay. Skylar, what do you, I see right here, this is just what I see. You got one guy on its own, one guy on its own, and one guy on its own. So you've got 1, 2, 3 guys on their own, and then you've got these two together. What do we know about 1, 2, 3, and 2? So what do we know about 3 and 2? Say that louder. 3 and 2 makes 5. Does anyone agree with that? So do you all have we come to a group decision that this number of dots up there is 5? Yeah.